Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your Apple AirPods Max headphones. In today's video, all the tools that I'm going to be using will be available on our website. Links will be provided in the description down below. And for this specific repair, we're going to be using a flathead screwdriver, a pry tool, and just a regular screwdriver with 3 different bits. We're going to be working with a T2 bit, a P5, and a T3. We do sell these in a kit, and this kit will have all the bits that you would need to do this specific repair. So first things first, the battery is located on the right side. We're going to go ahead and pop the ear pad off like so. We're going to take our screwdriver with the P5 bit, and we're going to go ahead and remove the speaker housing screws. With these screws, you're not taking them completely out. You only have to turn them about a quarter of the way. So with this one, you're going to turn it clockwise. You'll feel the stopping point. On the bottom one, you're going to turn it the opposite way. And then this one, you're going to turn it clockwise as well. And this one, we're going to turn it the opposite way. Once we've done that, go ahead, take your pry tool, just kind of work it into the side here, like so, and go ahead and pry up. Once we've pried it up, you can use your hand to get the rest of the housing off of there. Just like that. Once we've done that, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the speaker. And removing the speaker, we are going to go ahead and use, I believe it would be the T3 bit. When you remove these screws, be careful that they don't get into the speaker because it is magnetized, and if any screws fall into the speaker, you will damage it and you'll have to replace the speaker as well. So we're going to go ahead and remove the top screws, and keep in mind that the top screws are different sizes than the 2 bottom ones. As you can see, this bottom screw is bigger than the first top that we removed. And for this unique screw, we're going to go ahead and use our flathead screwdriver. If you look really closely, there's going to be 4 different grooves on this screw. We're just going to go ahead, pop the flathead into one of the grooves and just kind of push the screw into the twisting motion. Once you kind of break it a little bit, you can go ahead and just kind of rotate the flathead and proceed with removing the screw. I don't know what Apple was thinking when they made these headphones, but every single screw here is a different size. So you're going to be going back and forth between 3 different bits. Alrighty. Once we've removed the last screw, go ahead and just pop up the speaker like so. Take it out, set it aside. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start by removing these 2 screws that hold down the shield that covers the 2 ribbons underneath there. So go ahead and use the T3 bit to remove the first screw. For the second screw, we're going to go ahead and switch to the T2 bit. Once we've removed that, go ahead and just pop this shield out, set it aside. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove this screw, that screw, that screw, and then there's 2 more screws, one right there, and then there's one on the opposite side that I'll show you guys once we get to that. So for these ones, we're going to go ahead and use the T3 bit. And then for the last two, for the one that's located right there and on the opposite side right across, we're gonna go ahead and switch back to the P5 bit. Once we've done that, go ahead and take your flathead screwdriver and gently pop the battery ribbon off the power board. Once we've done that, you can then go ahead and just pull the battery right out. Like so, and set that aside. We're gonna take this new battery, which we do now sell these on our website as well. The link will be down in the description below. And if you happen to lose any of these screws while in the process of taking the headphones apart, we do sell screws as well. So for this one, we're gonna go ahead and just kind of place the battery back into its position. Like so. And once we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and take the two screws that we removed from the inside using the P5 bit. We're gonna install these screws first so that we don't forget to do them later, because they are a little bit hidden if you're not looking too careful. Once we've done that, go ahead and swap back to the T3 bit. We're gonna go ahead and place these three screws back in. Once we've done the top two, we're gonna go ahead and take this long screw, place it right there. The bottom screw fastens the battery and the power board as well, so make sure that the long one goes at the bottom and the shorties go up top. Once we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and take this cover. If you see these two pins that are sticking out, there are two slots inside the headphones, so you wanna make sure that these go into the slot. But before we do that, we gotta make sure that we plug our battery ribbon back into the power board. You just line it up, press down, you'll feel it go in. Then we're gonna take the shield cover, pop it into place. Then we're gonna take the long screw, screw it down, and then last but not least, this shorty, we're gonna swap to the T2 bit for that one, or T3. Alrighty, once we fastened all the screws, next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place the speaker back in. Make sure that these two pins that are sticking up make contact with those two connection points. So we're going to go ahead, set the speaker back down. We're going to take the top screws, place them in. And then we're gonna go ahead and switch to the T3 bit. We're gonna get to work by screwing them back in them holes. Once we got the top ones in, we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom two. And then last one, gonna place it down, take our flathead, and with the flathead, we're just gonna go ahead, place it into one of the grooves. And we're just gonna go ahead and rotate it like so. This last screw, you don't have to make it super tight, just enough so that it doesn't come undone. Once we've done that, go ahead and take your speaker housing, place it over, and we're gonna go ahead and take our P5 bit, and we're gonna do a 1/4 of a turn on all of these 4 screws. Once we've done that, last step that we got to do is place the ear cup back on, and that is how you successfully replace the battery on your Apple AirPods Max headphones.